Okay, we're going to do our bottom border now, and we can use, this is a 6mm pearl mold, or we can use the bigger rope, or we can just pipe it. I want to super pearl it, and so I'm going to use the bigger rope. So I'm going to pop this in since I used a rope border for the top. And I am going to super pearl this. I'm not sure if it's going to show up. I can always pearl it again once it comes out, but I think it should come out at least a little pearlized. Okay. I like candy clay because it does come out really nice and easy. Oh, got a little green on there. Oh, that was going to be pretty. Wonder where that came from. Well, isn't that pretty? I ended up with a green rope border. Actually looks nice. I think I'm going to leave that on there. I like that a lot. But I can't see the pearl, so I am going to go ahead and re-put the pearl on it. There we go. Evidently I didn't clean my clay gun on it well enough, but I really like that. Okay, and a little bit of water against the base. And as you can see, it goes on there nice and easy. And putting the last piece on here. We're just going to join it right there. There we go. That's against the base. Okay, to finish this cake off, I want to put a little bit of snow on it, and what I'm using is some rainbow glitter for my snow. And I want to attach it to some of my poinsettias. Looks kind of like snow. Get them on the tips of the pine cones. Whoops, I need to attach that a little bit better. Poinsettia, little on the pine needles. Just general areas, a little in the center. Okay. And then we want to put a little bit in the front. And our pine cone down here. Okay. And there is your chocolate clay poinsettia Christmas cake.